Hello everyone, I'm Jen. Today I'd like to introduce the BOTA 200T electric screw-adjustable welding rotator. It mainly consists of control box, motors, gear reducers, lead screws, and a base frame. These are all steel wheels, and each wheel can be adjusted a lead screw. There are limit switch, which is used to restrict the type of wheels. This is pendant control box. Now let me demonstrate the operation. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.